Imagine a world where drinking ocean water isn't a fantasy, but a daily reality for millions. Subsea Desalination is making this possible. Over 2 billion people lack access to clean water. Water scarcity is becoming one of humanity's greatest challenges. Conventional desalination plants have helped, but they are costly, energy-intensive, and impact coastal environments. Subsea desalination takes the process underwater, turning the ocean itself into a factory for fresh water. This technology fuses biology, engineering, and environmental science to create self-contained factories on the ocean floor. At the core is reverse osmosis. Seawater is pushed through ultra-fine membranes, leaving salt behind and producing pure water. On land, pumps create pressure for this process. Underwater, the ocean's own pressure does much of the work, slashing energy costs. Engineers build corrosion-resistant domes and modules. Pipes connect these underwater factories to the shore, carrying water in and out. Robots and autonomous sensors monitor these systems. Even brine waste is carefully managed and diluted at depth, protecting marine life. Why go underwater? Subsea technology frees up land, saves energy, and taps cleaner, deeper water, making treatment easier and safer. Challenges remain. Underwater infrastructure must withstand extreme pressure and corrosion for years. Maintenance requires advanced robotics. Breakthroughs are coming fast. By 2026, pilot facilities will launch in drought-stricken regions, backed by global partnerships. Engineers are improving membranes, robotics, and monitoring to make subsea desalination sustainable and reliable at scale. Imagine cities and farms no longer at the mercy of drought. Subsea desalination could offer resilience for future generations. Critics raise valid concerns: cost, ocean health, complexity. But every leap forward begins with bold ideas and relentless improvement. Today, we stand at the threshold of a new era. Drinking the ocean may soon be a practical, sustainable reality for all.